Hello guys, HackerSpot here, back again with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to track someone's location using a tool called Seeker. Now to install the tool, first thing you need to open up a new terminal and sudo su, and then you need to write down your computer password. Let me clear this up. Okay. Now I will put all the commands under the description of the video so that you can easily install it. So copy the git clone and paste it here. Enter. Now Seeker has been downloaded. Let me make sure. ls. Where is the Seeker? Seeker. There we go. Now we need to open the folder. So cd Seeker, and then we need to install it using chmod. So chmod plus x, and then install.sh. Now run this install.sh, hit enter. Now Seeker has been successfully installed on our Kali Linux machine. So to open the tool you need to open up a new terminal and sudo su to get the super user. Now we need to open the Seeker and then Python 3 Seeker .py and then the port 8080. We have 5 templates available on the tool, Seeker tool. You can use whatever you want. In this tutorial I'm going to use the first one, which is the near you, and then hit enter. Loading near you template. Guys, I forgot to mention something. Those are the fake templates. So the Google Drive and the WhatsApp, Telegram, Zoom, everything are fake. So now the next thing, we need to open up a new terminal and type ngrok http 8080. Hit enter. It will create a link for us. We need to send this link to our victim. So let me open this as an example. I will try it on my Linux machine. So open the link. There you go, guys. Watch what happens when I click continue. Okay. Watch what happens. Continue and then allow, and boom, we got all the information. The Google map, it will show us the location of the device. We got the speed and the public IP address. We got everything. GPU, which is my graphic card. Now we will open the link and it will show us the device's location. Now this is the end of the video. Hopefully you like it. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Bye for now.